Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. MJPUTO here, and today we're diving into something absolutely massive, rugged, and built for extreme conditions, the 2025 Oshkosh LVSR MTR-X. This isn't your average pickup or off-roader. It's a military-grade logistics vehicle reborn with next-gen tech, and we're here to break down everything from its tank-like exterior to the power-packed performance hiding under the hood. Buckle up, this is going to be one wild ride. Starting with the exterior, the LVSR MTR-X looks like it was carved out of a steel mountain. Designed with a brutalist military edge, it boasts a massive frame, ultra-durable armored panels, a raised suspension system, and 16 or 20 Michelin military-grade tires that are ready to crush any terrain. The front fascia features a combat-style grille, adaptive LED light bars, and an integrated winch system capable of handling over 20,000 pounds. This vehicle isn't just built to be seen, it's built to lead a convoy through war zones, disaster zones, or the harshest off-road environments. Inside, the MTR-X surprises with a fusion of functionality and advanced tech. While it's still rugged and straightforward like a military vehicle should be, Oshkosh has integrated a fully digital cockpit, bullet-resistant glass, climate-controlled seating for up to 5 personnel, and a touchscreen interface that manages everything from mission data to drivetrain settings. Durable rubberized flooring and water-resistant materials make it ready for mud, sand, and snow, and still easy to clean after a hard day's work. This is a utility-focused interior that doesn't skip on comfort or capability. Under the hood, the 2025 LVSR MTR-X is an absolute beast. It's powered by a turbocharged 15-liter Caterpillar C15 engine delivering around 600 horsepower and over 2,000 Nm of torque, paired with an Allison 7-speed automatic transmission. It can haul payloads of over 20 tons, has an 8x8 all-wheel drive configuration, and features central tire inflation and a hydropneumatic suspension that adjusts based on terrain. Whether it's a sand dune or a flood zone, the MTR-X keeps pushing forward, and can even ford water depths of over 4 feet without breaking a sweat. When it comes to safety, Oshkosh brings military-grade innovation. The MTR-X is built with armored crew protection, blast-resistant seating, and a rollover mitigation system. It also includes multi-angle cameras, night vision assist, adaptive traction control, and run-flat tires. For battlefield or emergency use, it's also fitted with blackout lighting modes and electromagnetic pulse shielding, making it as secure as it is tough. In short, it's a fortress on wheels. What really sets the MTR-X apart are its unique selling points. This isn't just a military truck, it's a modular, mission-ready vehicle that can transform into cargo transport, personnel carrier, mobile command post, or recovery rig. It features plug-and-play hardware slots for everything from drones to satellite uplinks. The optional autonomous driving package allows for remote control or convoy operation, which is groundbreaking for heavy-duty military logistics. Simply put, it's a rolling operations base built for the future. Now let's talk price. The Oshkosh LVSR MTR-X isn't aimed at the average consumer, so it's priced accordingly. Depending on configuration and armor level, the base model starts around $550,000, and can rise significantly with added tech and capabilities. While that may sound astronomical, for governments, defense contractors, or specialized industries, it's a worthwhile investment for unmatched versatility and survivability. In conclusion, the 2025 Oshkosh LVSR MTR-X is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. Whether deployed in a combat scenario or assisting in large-scale disaster relief, it brings power, protection, and adaptability to the table like nothing else. For those who demand the ultimate in off-road utility, with battlefield-tested DNA and futuristic enhancements, the MTR-X delivers without compromise. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into heavy metal excellence, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, this is MJPUTO, signing off.